Hey, Gary Baker here with 30 Minute Marketing. We're back with more on the foundations of setting up that $100 a day system. Of course, if you've not watched any of the videos in this $100 a day system setup series, where I'm walking you through a case study of how I'm building a business online, doing affiliate marketing, setting it up on my path, on my way to $100 a day. There's a card up here in the right-hand corner. And today I want to talk to you about SEO, that's search engine optimization, and keyword research, and a free keyword research tool to go along with the training that sets us all up with this foundation for building our $100 a day system. That keyword tool right here is on the screen. As you can see, this is where it all happens, and it starts here under keyword research, get suggestions, and of course, like I said, you can click this icon to get help with what's going on here. And that's the brilliant part about this training, and I'm talking about over at Taking Action Online, is the training is built into the same place that you access the tool. It's all in one place. Of course, over in the Taking Action Online community, inside the community feed, to access this tool, you simply click the SEO Toolkit. It launches a video that explains how to set up your account once you're inside of Taking Action Online. The idea here is you get access to the SEO Toolkit as well as the SEO Toolkit tutorial. And right now, the current tutorials that are there for you are how to set up your account, the basics of keyword research, broad keywords versus long tail, choosing a keyword, SERP research, LSI keywords, fixing SEO issues, because this is more than just a keyword research tool. It is actually a complete SEO toolkit, and also currently golden hidden keywords. And like I said, when you're back here inside of the keyword tool, how to make money online. You can see I've done this search, and you can see here some of the information to include global KEI, which it identifies here. In each one of these, it talks about what each of these parameters are, why they're important, why they matter to you, as well as it has a different source. You can come out here and you can filter under sources, and currently you can see that you get access to Google Ads Keyword Planner, Search Bar Autocomplete, Search SERP Snippets, and people that also ask SERP snippet. These sources are important to understand when you're doing this research, as well as being able to filter, as well as change the source here in this column. You can see there that changed to Keyword Planner, which is a different source to get this data that you see here that helps you make decisions. Now, I want to focus on the fact that this helps you make decisions, helping you make decisions, because when it comes to keyword research, a lot of it is the big tool up here, the main tool, which is your brain. Just simply thinking about what people are searching for, and does it make sense to write that article based upon the type of content that you're creating for your audience to build your $100 a day system. Of course, in a $100 a day system, we're talking about YouTube, and we're talking about blogging to build that solid, that complete foundation as we head towards $100 a day. And this tool, this free keyword research tool, which is really a complete SEO toolkit, is going to be vital in setting up the foundations for your blog or your website when you start creating this content. But also, like I said, the training that goes along with the tool may be the most important piece as we move along. As you move forward with me, creating your own $100 a day system, you'll be able to watch me here in this case study using this tool that I'm using. Like I said, it's free inside of Taking Action Online, as well as all the training, and the training being the key component to really understanding what, why, where, how, all the things that you need to ask yourself. Should I write this blog post? And if you think you shouldn't, that's probably the biggest part of this, and the training you'll get, and also the understanding. When you type in a keyword in the keyword research tool, it's going to show you if there is a result, if someone is searching for that. If anyone has ever searched for that, it's going to pop up. And just thinking outside of the box here and saying, look, the keyword tool is great. It's a piece of the puzzle. It's a key component of the system. It's a free tool that I get that will help me learn more about the things I need to learn to build my business, to build and complete that solid foundation of my $100 a day system. But I don't want you to focus on just what the tool tells you and simply think that if the tool tells me one thing, it means that I don't write the blog post. If a tool tells me another thing, it means that I 100% have to write this blog post. The training is the key, and following along here with me during these case studies of building the $100 a day system is going to be how you find success you're looking for. But back inside of the keyword research tool, under Get Suggestions, as well as Spy on Competitors, keywords from Search Console, as well as a keyword basket, you have all these options here to drill down, to include drilling even further down on each keyword. Again, as you find them, taking a look at the numbers, the metrics, and saying, does this make sense? For example, find related keywords for how to make money online for beginners. It's going to turn that with a simple click into more suggestions and even more ideas for you to come up with things to write blog posts about, things to create content for, and things that you'll be solving problems for real people as you create content to help them solve their problems, answer their queries, and think about all those things as you build out your $100 a day system. Again, this is the foundation. These are the tools that you need, that you want to learn and understand. You get the training, you get the tools. It's all here. There's a link in the description. Check it out. Come along, follow along with me, build your own $100 a day system. And if this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one on building that $100 a day system. And let's get going. Click that video, watch it. I look forward to seeing you in that video. I'll talk to you later.